Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change graph scale in Canva. It's quite simple. All you have to do is follow along. So this is the blank page over here. Let's go to the elements and let's type in graph in the search bar. And here you'll be provided with lots of options. Let's go to the graphics and let's choose go to charts. Let's choose the simpler one. So here is the graph. So let's say you want to change this. In order to do that, you can simply tap in here and change the data over here. Let's say item number 1. Let's change it into more like 5, and in series 2. Can you see it has been updated? So in series 2, let's make it more like 10. And as you can see, it's been updated. Let's change it into more of like 15, and this will be more of like 24. I am putting random data over here, okay? And 20, I'm just putting random data. Let's leave it 16. So as you can see, it has been updated. So this is how you change graph. There's another way. You can simply change it into like bar chart, stack chart. There's a different variation. Go to the settings. You can also change this over here. Suppose you don't want the grid lines, you can simply turn it off or turn it on. So this is how you change graph in Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.